Blue, the color of the sky. Our June edition 2020 of PopArt Made in Austria by Edlinger, Unikat, Salzburg. His incredible artwork, sometimes with the signs of rock and roll, made him like he is, a real rock and roller of art. Bringing pop art to a new level of art, upside down, with a touch of a dirty rock guitar, the sound of the Stones. Our virtual gallery tries to show you from time to time his timeless artwork of pop art made in Austria, inspired by the greatest rock stars of all times. Please enjoy. His composition of colors, forms and graphic elements, making each Edlinger Unikat as a masterpiece of fine art. The sound of a vintage radio combined with multiple color drops, paintings and lines, upside down and upside again. It's only rock and roll, but we like it.